Alright, shop update. It's been cold, ain't been doing nothing. Finally got in here and I got the axle, all the brackets cut off, cleaned up, welded the tubes to the center, got the carrier out. I didn't bring the rest of the stuff with me to start on all that, but it's progress. So that there's that thing in here, but that's a whole nother thing. Haven't done anything with that. Yeah. Oh, we do have that. We got parts for the rear end. Got our nice fancy gears. We got our new carrier. So, slowly getting there. Gotta look and see. I'm hoping have enough money to order studs so I can get the axles re-drilled. And I'm kind of at a standstill after that because I don't have the car here. It is currently in storage and I don't have, possibly might be getting another rear end that I can use for brackets and all that and to mock everything up. That's the goal anyway. That way when the car does come out of storage, this is pretty much ready to go. I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So, short little update. If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it.